Hi everyone, Deb here. Just a quick video. It's going to be a coloring page video, which I'll show you in a minute, but I have actually been using this a little bit. That's where I stopped. I've done Derwent ink tents I have without water and with water, but I didn't do the water yet, and this is not waterproof paper. It is single-sided, fortunately, but I'm going to just put dabs of water on and see what happens. This is Liquid Mark, which is these I've had for I don't know how long. They're school quality and they are a little scratchy. So there's only 10 colors of those. And these are Faber-Castell grip pencils, which are also for kids. I thought they'd be good for me to grip, but I'm going to tell you about them in a minute. But nice colors. They're not quite as vibrant as I thought, but they're not bad. I have to erase this because Amazon had this color as flesh, but I went to the website to try and find the missing one in their list on Amazon, but their website is missing it too, but they have this one as peach. So I wrote it in pencil, but I have to erase it. Anyway, and these are the Crayola colors of the world. They're not bad. They're a little scratchy too, but they're not bad. But I wrote an extra one. I'm going to use white out there and white out here. And I wrote down, they actually, I figured out as I started, they have a golden skin tone series and an almond one and a rose one. And there's 7 in rose, 10 in almond, and 7 in extra deep. I mean, in golden. Extra deep golden is what I was looking at. And those are these. And then I also did the metallics. I don't know if I care for them. I have to try them on black paper because I put supposed to be good on black, some kind of black paper, so we'll see. They're all right. They're not as shimmery. This one's pretty shimmery. The problem is they didn't name anything, so I don't know if that's supposed to be bronze, I guess, because up here's gold, silver, gold, silver. I don't know what that is then. Brown, I guess. I don't know. Green, couple blues. Looks like it was a green pencil, and then reds and purples. Maybe that's lavender. But that one is shiny. They're a little bit shiny, but they're not super metallic-y. But maybe they are. So I read a review and they said they are on black paper. These are Statler pastels. I actually like them. And they are, I figured out they have a number 146C dash something, and I think that's the color number because it's preceded with art number. And then the name is also on the pencil, so I like that. And there's only 12 of those. They're made in Germany. I did do my Arteza. They're in a tin. I did it 2 pages, and they are numbered and named as well, so I like that. Now, I've heard people say they're kind of a, what do they call them? White label, maybe for Primacolor Prismacolor Premier, I mean, which I also have. I've had them for years because I got them for jewelry. Um, but I did notice they're lacking in grays and also really reds. They only have like three reds. They have more pinks and purples than they do reds or grays. And actually, they don't have a whole lot of yellow either. So anyway, have a lot of greens and a lot of blues. This one actually also didn't have a lot of gray too. This is a boo-boo. I whited out. Um, it had more reds. Arteza had more reds and yellows. I like their yellows. Not so many browns, and then their pink, purples, blues, and greens are pretty good too. So I think between the 2 sets, I'll be okay. And that's Faber-Castell. I have them, they're in like a double tin, 48 each. So let me get these out of the way. I want to show you my coloring page. Now, I wasn't going to share this till the end of the month. However, I saw several people, Jamie's Life, I think, and Pat is her name. I can't remember her full channel name. They co-host this. It will be in the title. And M Beams Color with Me did it, and it's something like it's an open coloring collab. That title, the hashtag will be in the title. So I used this book, which wasn't on my November list to do, but last night was weird because I slept on the sofa from like, I don't know, 8:30 till almost 1 o'clock, and then I was up. But I dozed off and on a little bit after I got up initially. And then I decided, I'm just gonna go look for the Can't Sleep coloring book. So I wanted to try these, and I did the first page, and I think it came out okay. I like it a lot, actually. Now, I will tell you, to get the colors as dark as I did, I went over every single section 2 to 3 times at least, except for I did use the turquoise one, which more looks like sky blue, um, just to do a little bit of background so it wasn't so stark white. Um, so this is my entry in this little book for the collab, the coloring collab. And I know they try to use a easy and bold coloring book, but like I said, this wasn't on my radar to do, but it was handy because I could sit on this. Oh, that's the other thing. My cat has been ill, and all weekend she was clingy to my son, and last night and today, she was clingy to me. So I had to sit on the sofa, and I was like her on my lap, holding my book up like this, trying to color. It was kind of, yeah. Anyway, you get the picture. So these I'm probably going to put in the case. I put other Faber-Castell pencils in it, my Polychromos, and I have a few Gold Fabers. So these look nice, and they're very pretty. And aside from the fact that one of these wasn't named, but I named it. Nope, Violet was I think with one already named. I think I named it medium red pink. Nope, that's magenta. One of these. I tried to compare it purple pink. I just named it purple pink because I tried to look up the polychromos, polychromos ones, which I wasn't upstairs, so I couldn't get to mine online, and look at the pencil to see what color it most closely resembled, and the tips. I also looked at the tips, and that I think was close to a medium purple pink. Well, that's what I named it. I'm not sure that was right, but they definitely were missing a color in their listing in the purples, both on their website and on Amazon. It does have silver and gold, and a gray, and a black, two browns, oranges, yellow, blah, blah, blah. But I really had to press. So as a result, even though these have a wonderful grippy thing, plus I'm heavy-handed and I tend to color with the pencil down here, and I've been watching people. When I did the background, I listened to those expert colorists and I held it back here and I just went really lightly over the back. But I can't do that in these itty-bitty little spaces. I need to have control over it. So anyway, I decided I wanted to concentrate on using yellow, the lime green. I love the lime green color. The turquoise, I was disappointed in because it looks more like sky blue. And this is called blue, and it is blue, but it looks more like deep turquoise to me than blue blue. And then there is an indigo, but I don't think I used that at all. Um, I like the greens. I like the yellow. And the purples are okay. The one I used in here, that purple pink, I don't know if I named it correctly. Maybe that one is magenta and this was purple pink. I don't know. But I still like it. I did a little tiny bit of shading just on some of the yellow areas to make them pop a little more with some green. But other than that, not really. It was hard enough just to get the color down, and I enjoyed it though. It took me longer than I thought it would, but part of that was me trying to decide. Okay, so I did these two first, and then I went here and did this thing that looks like a peacock, right? And there's some feathers there and up there. And then this was kind of the last area. I'm like, oh, and then I did these three because they're all similar. And I tried to keep things that were similar, I tried to keep, the same. Anyway, that is what I did, and I think it came out pretty good. I don't think I'll use these pencils for detail work. I might use them for bold and easy kind of coloring books and try and use a lighter hand, although you can barely tell that's even colored, right? But it's just something. And I had to bend the cover back to be able to color it right. And you can see it's bent up, but that's from me, holding it like this and pressing down. And I think I did have a piece of paper under it, maybe not, because these don't go through. I might not have, and that might be why it curled. So anyway, I had fun. Since I couldn't sleep, I pulled it out, and there you go. All right, everyone, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with a D-stash purchase. See you soon.